ICF Group, with over 35 years of experience, is a future-ready marine interior turnkey solutions specialist for the marine, oil and gas, and offshore industries. We bring high-quality solutions to the industries of new builds, modernization, conversion and maintenance for oil and gas, yachts, cruises, specialized marine vessels, and ferries. ICF houses a large team of passionate professionals from project managers, designers, engineers, architects, carpenters, electricians, outfitters, and painters. At ICF, we take a holistic approach in providing solutions to each of our clients' unique needs. ICF specializes in turnkey deliveries of public spaces, restaurants, cabins, suites, galley, hull painting, and all venue on board the ship. Our full sweep of the services includes the following: consultation. Leveraging on our vast experience executing marine projects globally, ICF provides turnkey tailored solutions and consultation on a global perspective, incorporating its own global offices presence and manpower to develop innovative solutions for its business partners. Project management. Our experienced project managers are focused in ensuring timely delivery from the project pre-planning stage to handover, overseeing all aspects of the project, including material requisition, resource management, vendor management, and also on-site project management once execution of installation works commences. Interior design. With our specialized in-house team of designers, large and growing library of material samples, and the utilization of latest software, including virtual reality program developed in-house, we can work closely together with our valued clients and their designers to develop professional design concept and color matching profiles. Engineering. From conceptualization to implementation, every step of the development is executed with meticulous engineering precision. Production. Our facilities are fully equipped to keep up with the modernization demands, catering for fabrication of fixed and loose furniture, metalworks, and accommodation modular units. ICF also has a network of fabrication specialist partners globally, which can be leveraged on if required. Purchasing and supply. With over 35 years of experience in executing marine interior projects, ICF has developed a vast network of sourcing partners to secure the highest quality materials from Asia to Europe. ICF Group provide comprehensive turnkey service, covering every stage of vessel development, from initial hull construction to complete interior fit-out, ensuring vessels are seamlessly customized to the client's specifications. Installation. Based on our clients' requirements, ICF tailors each project with a specialized installation team suited for the type of vessel and complexity of the project. Maintenance. Spanning full-service interior repair and improvements, our team of qualified and experienced technicians stands ready to support our clients at a moment's notice. With our strength in marine, oil and gas, and offshore constructions, coupled with our growing network of sales and production versus worldwide, ICF is inspired to continue expanding our reach globally. ICF, we build your dreams.